Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your profile picture on Spotify, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your Spotify profile picture, it's actually so easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Spotify. And once you're on Spotify, next, I want you to tap your profile on the top left corner. And after that, tap your username. And then tap your profile once again. And then after that, you will now be able to see the edit icon beside your profile picture, so just tap it to change your profile. And then I want you to tap choose photo so you can select the photo that you want to set as your new profile picture. And after that, you will now see all your photos that are saved on your device, so just select the one you want to set as your profile picture on Spotify. And after selecting, you can now tap this button to upload this photo as your new profile picture. And finally, for the last step, you can now tap save to completely save your changes. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your profile photo will now be changed on Spotify. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.